All right, if you clicked on this video link, that means you are working on slide 3, labor market, because you are working on your home learning presentation. So over here on the slide, we put the ONET link for you in order to complete the labor market. So I'm going to click on the ONET link. And then I am going to search my career pathway choice. I'm going to type in teacher. You will be typing in your career pathway choice. And then I'm going to click on the teacher link. And on this link, you can see that there's tasks, technology, knowledge, skills. There's tons of information on here. But right now we are looking for the labor market. So you see all these blue links right here. I'm going to click on wages and employment. So right here is some of the information that you'll be needing for your slide. And also for state trends, you're going to click on employment trends right here. And of course, you're going to make sure that you have it clicked for Arizona. And then you see you have the national information for the United States, and then you have the state for Arizona for projected annual job openings, and you can see all that information right here. You can see it for 2018 and for 2028. Okay, over here too, 2016. Okay, so that is the information that you are looking for. You can click out of that, and you can also be seeing this tab right here. And then you'll just be adding your information onto your Google slide presentation. And don't forget to make sure you add an image to your slide too. If you have any other questions, just reach out to me and I can walk you through the process. Also, you can watch this video as many times as you need in order to get the information for your slide.